Good afternoon. This is raining in Yangon and this is a beautiful Shwedagon Pagoda from my office. You can listen, it's raining. I think it's an unseasonal rain. And Yangon is a beautiful city. Currently, in Shwedagon Pagoda, the renovation program is going on. This is the balcony of my office where we can see Shwedagon Pagoda. It is one of the most premium place in Myanmar. If you are visiting to Myanmar, please must visit the Shwedagon Pagoda, one of the best place in the world and definitely the best in Myanmar. Yangon is one of the most green city in Yangon, Myanmar definitely, but one of the most green city in the world also.